Welcome back to the channel. Today, I thought I would do a little tour of my small shop. I have about 240 square feet of space here, and I thought I would show how I utilize it and what I did to make this work for me. So it's not a long tour, but I hope you enjoy. As you can see, it's a tiny space. Starting in the corner, this is where I keep my 3D printers. This end of the shop is mostly storage. I use this bench to store projects and when I need to clean up a resin print or two. In the back corner is the dust collector. I also have storage for scrap pieces of wood and other assorted bits of metal and such. The drawers of the orange toolbox is full of different materials: metal tubing, flat stock plastic, small pieces of wood, leather, and so on. This wall has all of my tools and has dust collection built in. I primarily use this area to cut and sand small parts. I have a spray booth that is vented outside, and it includes a downdraft table for sanding. Underneath this area, I have a laser cutter. It does not have an enclosure, so I'm using a fire retardant drape to isolate it. When I moved into this house, the custom aluminum ladder was here. It unfolds from the wall and leads to the roof. At times, I use the roof for projects that are a little bit more toxic. And the view is not bad. Continuing on, this is the main workbench and where I typically shoot most of my content. I have a computer set up here and where I do all my editing and 3D modeling work. I'm using every bit of space possible. I have a shop sink here in the corner. I also built a seamless rack for 53-inch paper. I use this spot to shoot pictures and videos of projects. Almost everything is on wheels in the shop, so I can move things around. The center tables can be configured into a variety of shapes depending on what I'm working on. Well, it wasn't a long tour, but it at least shows exactly how I've set up my space and what I have to work with. Leave a comment. Let me know what size your shop is. I'd love to find out. I always find it interesting to see where people work and what conditions they're in and what they've done to make their space usable. This was my space, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.